The Converse SHAI 001 Winter Red is shaping up to be one of the most talked about holiday drops of 2025. With the Oklahoma City Thunder dominating the NBA at 17-1, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander's rising star power is fueling massive hype around his signature sneaker line. This Christmas Day, fans will see Shai lace up against Victor Wembanyama in a clean, minimalist colorway that blends winter red with subtle pine green accents on the zipper, heel, tongue logo, and outsole. It's a fresh break from the previous monotone releases while still keeping the sleek identity of the SHAI 001 series. Set to release on December 4, 2025, and priced at $130, this pair is expected to generate major demand as sneakerheads look for holiday must-cops. With OKC chasing a historic win record and Shai playing MVP-level basketball, the momentum behind this shoe is only getting bigger. If you're tracking the hottest NBA sneaker releases, this is one you can't miss.